Autumn is a beautiful time of year. The leaves change color. We see red, yellow, and orange. It's fun to watch the leaves fall to the ground. They make a colorful carpet under the trees. Autumn inspires us to be creative. We want to bring the beauty of nature into our homes. Let's make an autumn leaf crown. This is a fun project for a sunny October day. We will use things found in nature. It's easy to do. You can even invite your friends. First, we need to gather our materials. This is a wonderful opportunity to connect with nature and appreciate the beauty of the changing seasons. As you walk through the forest, take a moment to breathe in the crisp autumn air and listen to the rustling leaves beneath your feet. Notice the vibrant colors around you, from the deep reds and oranges to the bright yellows and browns. Each leaf tells a story of the tree it came from and the journey it has taken to reach the ground. We will need leaves of different colors and sizes. The diversity in color and shape will add a unique touch to our project. Look for leaves that catch your eye, whether they are a brilliant red maple leaf or a golden oak leaf. The more variety you have, the more interesting your final creation will be. Don't be afraid to pick up leaves with interesting patterns or textures, as these can add an extra layer of detail to your work. Look for maple and oak leaves. These types of leaves are not only beautiful but also sturdy enough to work with. Maple leaves, with their iconic shape and vibrant colors, are perfect for adding a touch of elegance to your project. Oak leaves, on the other hand, are known for their strength and durability, making them an excellent choice for the base of your creation. As you gather these leaves, take a moment to appreciate the trees they came from and the role they play in the ecosystem. They are big and strong. This makes them ideal for crafting, as they can withstand the handling and manipulation required to create our project. When selecting your leaves, look for ones that are free from tears or holes, as these will be easier to work with. If you find a particularly beautiful leaf that has a small imperfection, don't worry, you can always use it as an accent piece, or incorporate it into a part of the project where the flaw won't be noticeable. Make sure to pick leaves that have fallen to the ground. This ensures that we are not harming the trees, and allows us to use materials that nature has already provided. Fallen leaves are also more pliable and easier to work with than leaves that are still attached to the tree. As you gather your leaves, be mindful of the environment around you and try to leave the area as undisturbed as possible. This way, we can enjoy the beauty of nature without causing any harm. Don't pick them off the trees. It's important to respect nature and only take what has already fallen. By doing so, we ensure that the trees can continue to thrive and provide us with their beauty for years to come. Additionally, leaves that are still attached to the tree are often more difficult to work with, as they can be tougher and less flexible than those that have naturally fallen. So, stick to the ground and enjoy the treasure hunt for the perfect leaves. We also need a base for our crown. This will provide the structure and support needed to hold our leaves in place. There are several options you can use for the base, depending on what you have available and your personal preference. Craft wire and cardboard are both excellent choices, as they are easy to work with and can be shaped to fit your head comfortably. If you have other materials on hand, such as a pre-made headband or a piece of flexible plastic, feel free to get creative and use what you have. We can use craft wire or cardboard. Craft wire is particularly useful because it is bendable and can be easily shaped to fit your head. It also provides a sturdy base that can support the weight of the leaves without bending or breaking. Cardboard, on the other hand, is a great option if you don't have wire on hand. It is easy to cut and shape, and can be reinforced with tape or glue to make it more durable. Both options have their advantages, so choose the one that works best for you. Craft wire is bendable and easy to work with. It allows you to create a custom fit for your crown, ensuring that it is comfortable to wear. When working with craft wire, be sure to use pliers or another tool to help bend and shape the wire, as this will make the process easier and prevent any accidental injuries. Once you have shaped the wire into a circle that fits your head, you can start attaching the leaves to create your crown. Cardboard is a good option if you don't have wire. It is readily available and easy to work with, making it a great choice for this project. To create a crown base from cardboard, simply cut out a strip that is long enough to fit around your head and wide enough to support the leaves. You can then shape the strip into a circle and secure the ends with tape or glue. If you want to add extra stability, you can reinforce the cardboard with additional layers or by adding a piece of craft wire along the inside edge. We'll use tape to hold the leaves onto the base. Tape is a simple and effective way to attach the leaves, as it is easy to use and can be adjusted as needed. When applying the tape, Be sure to press it down firmly to ensure that the leaves stay in place. You can also use double-sided tape for a cleaner look, as it will be less visible once the leaves are attached. If you prefer, you can use glue or another adhesive to attach the leaves, but be sure to allow enough time for it to dry before wearing your crown. You can also use floral wire. Floral wire is a great option for securing the leaves, as it is thin and flexible, making it easy to work with. To attach the leaves using floral wire, simply wrap the wire around the base of each leaf and then twist it around the crown base to secure it in place. This method allows you to create a more intricate and detailed design, as you can easily adjust the position of each leaf to achieve the desired look. Whether you choose to use tape, glue, or floral wire, the most important thing is to have fun and enjoy the process of creating your own unique crown. Now let's prepare our leaves. We want to make sure they are clean and smooth. Wipe each leaf with a damp cloth. This will remove any dirt or dust. Next, we need to flatten the leaves. This will make them easier to work with. Place the leaves between two heavy books. Leave them there for about 30 minutes. Finally, trim the stems of the leaves. Leave a small piece of the stem. We will use it to attach the leaf to the crown. Let's make the base for our crown. We want it to fit snugly on our head. Take your craft wire and wrap it around your head. Make sure it's not too tight or too loose. Twist the ends of the wire together to secure it. If you are using cardboard, cut a strip that is as long as your head measurement. Make sure the strip is about 1 inch wide. Tape the ends of the cardboard together to form a circle. Now you have your crown base. Section 5. Adding the leaves. This is where our creativity truly comes to life. The leaves, with their vibrant colors and unique shapes, will transform our simple wire base into a stunning autumn crown. Now comes the fun part. Gather your friends and family and let's dive into this delightful activity together. Crafting is always more enjoyable when shared with loved ones. We get to add the leaves to our crown base. Start by selecting a variety of leaves. Look for different colors, shapes, and sizes to give your crown a rich, textured look. Start by attaching a leaf to the front of the crown. This will be your focal point. Choose a leaf that stands out, perhaps one with a striking color or an interesting shape. Use tape or floral wire to secure the stem to the base. Make sure it's firmly attached. Next, add another leaf. Position it slightly overlapping the first one. Overlap it slightly with the first leaf. This overlapping technique will create a beautiful layered effect, giving your crown depth and dimension. This will create a layered effect. Continue this process, adding leaves one by one, overlapping each new leaf with the previous one. Take your time to ensure each leaf is positioned just right. Continue adding leaves around the entire crown base. As you work your way around, you'll see your crown taking shape, becoming fuller and more vibrant with each leaf you add. Use different colors and sizes of leaves. This variety will make your crown more interesting and visually appealing. Don't be afraid to experiment with different combinations. Make sure to secure each leaf tightly. You want your crown to be sturdy and durable. Twist the floral wire firmly around the stems or use strong tape to hold them in place. You don't want them to fall off. Once you've added all your leaves, give your crown a gentle shake to check that everything is secure. If any leaves feel loose, reinforce them with more wire or tape, and there you have it. Your very own autumn leaf crown. Wear it proudly or use it as a beautiful seasonal decoration. Enjoy the fruits of your creative labor and the joy it brings to those around you. Section 6. Making it special. Your leaf crown is almost finished. Now you can add your own personal touch. You can add berries or small twigs to your crown. Use a hot glue gun to attach them. Be careful with the hot glue. You can also add some sparkle to your crown. Use glitter glue or metallic markers. Let your creativity shine. Once you're happy with your crown, try it on. Make sure it fits comfortably on your head. Section 7. Enjoying your crown. Congratulations! You made your own beautiful autumn leaf crown. Wear it proudly. You can wear it for a special occasion or just for fun. You can also use your crown as a decoration. Hang it on a wall or place it on a table. It will bring the beauty of autumn into your home. Your crown is a reminder of the fun you had crafting on a sunny October day. Section 8. Crafting under the sun. Crafting outside on a sunny day is a wonderful experience. The warmth of the sun on your skin, the gentle breeze rustling through the trees, and the vibrant colors of autumn leaves create a perfect setting for creativity. It's a chance to connect with nature and let your imagination run wild. The fresh air and sunshine make it even more enjoyable. There's something magical about being outdoors, surrounded by the sights and sounds of nature. The chirping of birds, the rustling of leaves, and the scent of fresh grass all contribute to a serene and inspiring environment. Find a comfortable spot in your backyard or at a local park. Look for a place with plenty of natural light and a flat surface where you can spread out your materials. Whether it's under a shady tree or in an open field, choose a location that feels inviting and peaceful. Spread out a blanket and lay out your materials. Gather everything you need, from colorful leaves and twigs to glue, scissors, and paper. Organize your supplies so that they are easily accessible, and take a moment to appreciate the natural beauty around you. Invite your friends or family to join you. Crafting is a wonderful way to bond with loved ones and create lasting memories. Share ideas, collaborate on projects, and enjoy each other's company as you work together to create something beautiful. Crafting is always more fun when you do it together. The laughter, the shared moments of discovery, and the joy of creating something with your own hands are amplified when you have others to share it with. It's a chance to learn from each other and inspire one another. Don't forget to take breaks to enjoy the beautiful autumn weather. Step away from your project for a few moments to stretch, breathe deeply, and take in the scenery. These breaks can refresh your mind and spark new ideas, making your crafting experience even more enjoyable. Breathe in the fresh air and listen to the sounds of nature. The rustling leaves, the distant call of birds, and the gentle whisper of the wind can be incredibly soothing. Let these natural elements inspire your creativity and bring a sense of calm and focus to your crafting. Once you've finished your crafts, take a moment to admire your work. Show off your creations to your friends and family, and celebrate the effort and creativity that went into each piece. Whether it's a leaf crown, a nature collage, or a handmade card, each craft is a unique expression of your creativity. Finally, don't forget to clean up your crafting area. Gather any leftover materials, dispose of any waste responsibly, and leave your outdoor space as beautiful as you found it. This not only shows respect for nature, but also ensures that you can enjoy crafting outdoors again in the future. Crafting under the sun is a delightful way to spend a day. It combines the joy of creativity with the beauty of nature, creating an experience that is both fulfilling and refreshing. So gather your materials, invite your loved ones, and head outside for a day of crafting under the sun. Section 9. Autumn Creativity. Making an autumn leaf crown is a great way to connect with nature. It allows us to appreciate the beauty around us. When we craft with natural materials, we create something unique and special. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to make a leaf crown. Let your imagination guide you and have fun. Crafting is a wonderful way to express your creativity and enjoy the simple things in life. So go ahead, gather some leaves and create something beautiful.